Okay, in a science competition, we have two teams that build a catapult that shoots out a marble. Okay, and the motion of the marble is modeled by these two parabolas for Team A and Team B. Okay, part A, which team's marble travels further? Okay, so let's see where they land. Y is the height. So for A, let's see where it lands. Set y equal to 0, you get minus x squared plus 2x plus 3. Multiply through by negative. I'm going to bring this on the left side. So you can factor into x minus 3x plus 1. So x equals negative 1 and 3. So that's the further distance, 3 meters. For part B, multiply through by negative. Okay, and you get 2, 1, 3, 1. This should be negative. So you get 2x plus 3, and this is x minus 1. So you get x equals negative 3 over 2 and 1. So that's the further distance, which means Team A, right, is catapult shoots it out further. Okay. Part B, at what horizontal distance are both marbles at the same height? Okay, so that's basically making the y's equal to each other, right? Same height. When does it happen? At what horizontal distance? So let's make the two equations equal to each other. Okay, let's bring this over to the left side by adding both sides by 2x squared. You get x squared. Subtract both sides by x and you get 2x minus x, and 3 cancels out. Okay, so they're at the same distance when x is equal to 0 or 1. So this is an obvious and trivial answer. They both start at the height of 3 meters. So of course they're at the same height, but when they travel a horizontal distance of 1 meter, they're also at the same height. Which team's marble flies higher? This is asking for the maximum height, which is the y-coordinate of the vertex. Okay. So for part A, let's get the midpoint between the two x-intercepts. So it's 1, and let's plug that into the original equation. You get minus 1 plus 2 plus 3, so it has a maximum height of 4 meters. Okay, this is for Team A, and for Team B, the middle value between the two roots is, if you add this, you get negative half, so negative of quarter. The maximum happens at negative a quarter. Now what that means, here's a negative a quarter. So the parabola looks like this, right? It has a maximum there. It goes down. So for the second catapult, right, it actually is a very bad catapult. It just shoots it straight down. So the maximum height will be just 3 meters. So clearly, the first one has a higher maximum height.